little cold start for you guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Johnny Rodriguez. I'll be your host all day today. And it's a beautiful Saturday. I think it's gonna be, I don't know, maybe 70 degrees. Could be warmer. I haven't checked the weather. I should have asked Alexa. She would have told me right away. But either way, we're gonna go for a drive, meet up with some friends, and see what we can get into today. Hey guys, I'm back in the car driving, heading towards the gas station right now. 50 degrees. Temperature went up like 2 degrees already on my drive. I've been driving for like 5-10 minutes. That's because that sun rises in Florida and that heat jumps up pretty quick, so that's cool. So it should be nice, like I said. So I guess I'm gonna meet up with these guys at the gas station, and we're gonna go to Caffeine and Gasoline. Hopefully we'll see some sweet rides there. I'm hoping to get a nice ride along today. One of my buddies gonna bring his car there, so hopefully he can get a ride along. Be surprised when we get there, and hopefully you guys can join me on that ride along. Good news is, also on a side note, I'm getting a new logo. The one I've been using was only temporary. I knew I wasn't going to use it permanently, so I'm getting a new logo designed. Hopefully I'll have it over the weekend. Hopefully it's up, while you guys are watching this, see my new logo. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the new logo, and that's what I'm going to try to go with. You'll see it on a lot of merch, and when I start getting a lot of merch put out on the website and everything like that, so you'll get t-shirts, hats, keychains, all kinds of stuff I'll have out for you guys. Either way, anyways, enjoy the drive. Alright, so here at the gas station. Oh, looks like they're already here. Oh, jeez. Got no place to park. Look at these guys. They're already here. Let's pull around. Kind of cold to be hanging out here. Oh, they're already here hanging out. Look at me, I'm illegally parked. Look at this. Bad spot. I didn't bring my sweater. I didn't bring my sweater.
You probably had them heated steering.
Oh, I didn't tell you guys we're gonna be on camera, sorry. What's up, man?
Hey buddy, how you doing? Good to see you.
Johnny, remember?
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
Joe.
Johnny.
Joe.
Wow.
We get that on.
That's pretty easy. That's pretty easy. Yeah. So what's up, man? Oh, I gotta get some coffee.
Yeah.
I gotta get some coffee. I'll get some coffee over there, man. They got donuts of Dunkin'. Donuts of Dunkin'. Yeah.
Cool, man.
Nice. Oh, love this thing.
Thank you.
Look at this thing. Nice.
You don't run 10-9, so.
No, that's all right. It happens. That's clean, man. Man, you got this thing detailed, huh?
No, it just stays in the garage all the time.
Okay.
So it stays clean.
Yeah, you like me. Keep it clean. No need for tire stuff.
I wiped mine down this morning. Just a quick
I keep
wipe.
it clean. That's how mine is.
You got to. You got to get clean.
I like that Camaro. You got the blue. You don't need a blue. That blue,
That's
I
why I
like blues.
had a couple blue cars for you.
All right, come on. We're gonna head out. Cool. Come on, we're gonna get in the car. Everybody's always staring. It happens. Either way, we're on our way. Here's our host.
Yeah.
Host with the most, baby.
What's up, Johnny? Good movie, baby. How you doing?
What's up, man?
What's going on?
What's going on? How you doing, man? Johnny.
How are you?
What was it?
Nice ride. Pat.
Pat. Nice to meet you. Thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, we got some Ferraris pulling in. Nice. This guy has got some cars. He's got a whole collection. Gt3 is the best. I got to go for a ride with him.
You can fit right there by the pole in the grass.
Yeah, just park it straight in. That'll be good. And we're going for a ride.
Ooh, Gt3Rs time.
Gt3Rs time, guys.
Dave's the same one.
Exciting.
I don't know.
Look, they're looking at it.
Yeah, it's keep downforce.
It's kind of cool. A little bit. It's a cool start.
Yeah.
It's loud as well.
Yeah.
No, it's really evacuating air.
Are you racing up the skyway lately?
Yeah.
How are you? I'm well. How are you? My ears hurt from that.
I think I'm officially deaf. All right, I got to put this down. I got like 19 seatbelts to put on here. All right, so we're in the Gt3Rs. Gonna leave this crowd. Everybody's watching. Good. Check them out. See the roll cage behind me. Hopefully we don't have to test out if it works.
Be a little ride.
Well, you got room?
Yeah, I sent it. You registered.
Good. Golden. Traffic sounds like the motor on the street. I love it. Oh, it's a taxi. It's a taxi. Oh yeah. So bye-bye. Oh, this thing sounds so good. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is insane. That sounds sick.
The PDK is amazing. I can just leave it in PDK, and it really, when I'm driving on the track, it really has a perfect spot to shift.
Right.
It's not, like in the Huracan, it's not quite figured it out.
So you don't need this, right? This anymore because
It does a
it's
little
straight
bit.
line.
There's
Does it?
one valve. I don't know why. Only on low.
Oh, I haven't been down here in a while. When did they add these roundabouts? Oh, these got to be fun to go around.
Drifting. It's fun.
That's so loud. Oh my god. Look. Look at him. Oh, Popo. They didn't get us. We missed him.
There's one guy, I left the McLaren show a couple months ago, and he was following me, and he's in a Miata. It sounded really good, Miata, right? So then we both got on the Skyway, and we went. I was way at him. He goes, every time I said, I could hear you for a mile. You were a mile away, and I could hear it.
It's the best. He's giving me a ride along, and I'm at a smile the whole time.
Goes fast.
We weren't speeding though.
No.
There's laws. We were going the speed limit.
Not when you went around that curve.
Oh, look at the V10. He left. V10 Audi. There she goes. That thing is a beast. Oh man, that was awesome. We'll meet up with Chet another time. Appreciate that, man.